Saudi 799 is ready for departure and reaching.
Saudi 799, report holding for runway 14.
Call you holding point 14, Saudi 799.
Right, runway 2000 feet, turn right, proceed heading 220, flight level 260. Report ready.
Roger, cancel SID, maintain heading 220, climb level 260, Saudi 799.
Saudi 799er, surface wind 26004 knots, runway 14, clear for takeoff. Report rolling.
Saudi 799, say again please.
Saudi 799er, surface wind 26004 knots, runway 14, clear for takeoff. Report rolling.
Runway 14, clear for takeoff, Saudi 799. Dhaka Tower, Saudi 799. Could you please confirm which altitude we have to turn right heading 220?
Saudi 799, runway heading 2000 feet, turn right. Fly, right heading 220, continue climb 260. Report rolling.
Yard of 2000, right heading 220, climbing 260, will be rolling now.
Bangladesh 361 after departure, runway heading 2000 feet, then turn right, fly heading 220, surface wind 28004 knots, runway 14, clear for takeoff.
After takeoff, runway heading 2000, then heading 220, clear for takeoff, 14, Bangladesh 361. Bangladesh 361, confirm, after 2000 on heading 220 we climb fly level 260.
Bangladesh 361, affirm.
Copy. After 2000 right turn heading 220, climb fly level 260. Bangladesh 361.
Bangladesh 361, airborne 34, contact Dhaka approach 121.
1213, Bangladesh 361, bye bye.
Bangladesh 135, taxi 250.
Clear for takeoff down 35.
এটা কত কিলোমিটার পর্যন্ত চলতে হবে?
Air India 228, after departure cancel seat. Runway heading 2000 feet, turn right. Proceed direct, east lock. Continue climb, flight level 180. Surface wind 29004 knots, runway 14 clear for takeoff.
After departure, runway heading 2000 feet, then turn right, direct east lock. Flight level 180. Runway 14 clear for takeoff. Air India to do it.
To take that is correct.
North runway 14 clear for takeoff.
To departure, heading 160, clear for takeoff, runway 14 Bangladesh 437.
Bangladesh 437, airborne 12, contact Dhaka approach 121.
213 Bangladesh 437, good day.
Bangladesh 480, after departure, runway heading 2000 feet, then turn right, fly heading 260, climb and maintain 3000 feet. Surface wind 25004 knots, runway 14 clear for takeoff.
After takeoff, initially on runway heading 2000, then turn right, fly heading 260, 3000 feet. Clear takeoff, Bangladesh 481.
Destination 2036, airborne 11, contact Dhaka approach 1213. Have a safe landing.
1213, Eastern 2036, bye bye.